Hi everyone, this is the basic. Today's topic is I'm gonna teach you on how to use your Windows Explorer the easy way and the fastest way. First things first, we just need to, as you can see, I'm moving my cursor here. We're just gonna put this all the way down to the left side, going to the start button, then left click, and then you could probably choose open Windows Explorer instead. As you can see, we can actually see the folder here. This is the Windows Explorer Manager. We could put all our stuff here, and when you're done, you just simply go on the top right, click this red button, and there you have it. I hope you like my video. Please give a thumbs up, comment your message below, or subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you and see you again.